It is another beautiful week, and in today's video, we will be checking out some of these assets to see what we should expect from them in this week. And we will be using the same trading strategy which we have been using, which is trend trading strategy. So, if you do not know this, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it works and how you can put it into use. Okay, first of all, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with gain next 1,200 on 15-minute time frame. For some days now, for almost 2 weeks or 2 weeks, we've been on a very strong uptrend for gain X 1,200. It all started from this support zone. It took some time to play around this channel for a while before breaking out above it at this point. And of course, ever since it has been going up just the way we are seeing it. Okay, each time it gets to this support resistance, support trend line, it goes back up, and that is how we have been having it till it got to this resistance zone. It has gotten to this resistance zone now. It has not been able to break out from there, so you can see it playing around there again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it should switch back into a downtrend and start selling. Personally, I am expecting it to switch into a downtrend because it has been on a very strong uptrend. But because it has also been on a very strong uptrend, anything can also happen at this point. So wait for the necessary signals before you jump into it. I am expecting it to switch back into a downtrend at this point and sell. At least it should get to this region if it sells. Okay, and I want to believe that that can happen if it breaks out from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So let us keep an eye on this and see if it will go fully into a downtrend and sell. Okay, so we should be expecting selling from there happens. Okay, but if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will continue with the buy trend. Okay, so now let's check out gainx 999. Gainx 999 is coming up with a unique structure, and even though at this moment it is selling, right from there it started selling, just the way we are saying it, and this is where it is actually going to. This support zone is where it is going to. It can get there and it can get to the tip of it, not there totally, before it will switch back into an uptrend. If it does not break out from this support zone and it switch into an uptrend, it's going to buy for long. At least it should get to this region first. Sorry, sorry, I just want to pick this. It should get to this region first, and if it should break out from there, then it will go beyond that. Okay, the reason for that is this will be giving us double bottom if this is unable to break out from this support zone. So you guys can keep an eye on that and see how it is going. But for now, it is selling just the way we are saying. But when it get to this support zone, whatever happens around there will help us to know where it is heading to. If it breaks out below this support zone, it will sell more. Okay, but if it does not break out, then it is going back into an uptrend fully. Okay, and that means that we are getting double bottoms and of course a big W picture, and the last leg of W is usually a buy leg. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and of course our indicator will also give us the necessary signals in support of that. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 started a downtrend, I think 2 days ago. It started from here, got to this region, had a pullback, and I told us that if this should switch into a downtrend, then it's going to sell more because this is giving us a kind of M vibes, and of course, you can see it broke out from here and it is still selling. Okay, so this is still selling right now. It will be heading to the next support zone. So this is a good one for those that actually pick up this signal. Okay, so because this is huge already, this has given you a lot of profits already. Now let's check out PNX 999. We also discussed about this. So just the way you have seen it, guys, everything that we have analyzed actually went in a direction, and it is very simple because we are using a simple trading strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. We are only following the trend, and there is nothing else to do apart from doing this. Okay, and of course, this gives us more confidence within the market. Okay, so you can see this got to the resistance zone, and you can see it playing around here. If you should study it very well, this is also giving us M pattern. But even though it is not very clear, but we can see the play around there, and it switched into a downtrend at this point, and you can see it sold till it got to this particular spot. It's trying to see if it will go back into an uptrend, but I'm still expecting it to come down and try out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go into an uptrend fully. Okay, let's see if that will happen first. Okay, before we jump into it. Then finally, let's check out FX volume 80. Okay, for FX volume 80, this has been on a very strong downtrend. You can see right from here. Let me pick it right from here. It so till it got to this region, but I made mention of something. Okay, yesterday I said this has been playing in between this channel. You can see it. You can see it that it has been playing. It broke out below it at this point, but got here, and you can see it. It's trying to go back into the channel again. So you can see that it is going back into the channel again. So if it gets to the top, if it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will come down again to the lower part of the channel. But for now, it seems it is going to buy because it has entered the lower part of the channel again. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. So, guys, I want you to take some time to understand this part very well and see how, I mean, all the assets that we have analyzed today, and see how you can take advantage of them throughout this week. And the only reason why we've been able to analyze it in a better way is because of the strategy we are using, which is the trend trading strategy. And for the trend trading strategy, all you need to do is to trade the signal that supports the trend. If the signal is not in support of the trend, do not go for it. Okay, if the trend is on downtrend and you are buying, you are doing a wrong thing. If the trend is on uptrend and you are selling, then you are doing a wrong thing. Okay, so the you cannot be swimming against the current. Okay, it is always difficult that way. You are most likely to lose your life like that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.